Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 25 IPS touchscreen special for BMW X1 F48 2016 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this touch screen. This template 25 IPS touch screen. Okay, let me show it. You can check this dash kit. You can check this dash kit will come with head units. Okay, and you can check the screen. Okay, back. Okay, you can check. This is kit screw, and this is GPS antenna. You can check BMW X1 NBT system, 2016 to 2017 years. PX6, RAM 2GB, ROM 32GB, Android 8.1 system. You can check this power connection. This is USB connection. This is audio cable port, connect port. Okay. This dash kit. Okay. Okay, this is the head unit. Let me introduce the harness. Okay, you can check this special cable from BMW. This connector. Okay, this is special plug. You also can check. Okay, this fuse box. This connect power on screen panel back of screen. Okay, this audio out. Okay, this back camera input, backup camera, reserve camera. This is camera detect wire. Okay, this camera backup camera 12 voltage. Okay, this is camera for camera backup camera. Okay, it will come with AUX cable and 2 USB cable, GPS antenna. This is audio cable. This is video out 1 and video out 2. This video input. This video input. Okay, and this is microphone, external microphone. And this DVR video input. This AUX input left and right. Okay, this audio cable. Okay, let me connect the power. this power cable, this connector. Please make sure, you connect it as well. Okay. Okay, connect the 12 voltage power. Okay, it shows the BMW logo. Okay, this UI interface, you can check. A very fast response. Okay, you have music, navigation, Bluetooth, video, car info, browser, file manage, DVR dashboard, link, apps, settings. This is brightness. Okay. Let me check the settings. You can check system. This is RAM 2GB, ROM 32GB, and the Android version is 8.1 Oreo system. Okay, let me check more setting. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi in here. And the system, this language, you can change all languages in here. Set the language. Sorry. Okay, about tablets, you can check model is RK3399, PX6 rack chip. Android version is 8.1 Oreo system. Okay, this is Oreo system. Okay. You can check the factory setup password 1314. Click OK. You can check these settings. This is support USB DVR. Already installed Google. This Bluetooth model is BC6. It remains the most original kind function. Advanced setting, you can set the model sets. Choose the BMW NBT. You can choose this EVO new, this 3 UI. When you back home, it's nothing changed. You need to reboot the header unit. Let me check this is UI. When you reboot header unit, you also can change the boot logo BMW. Okay, it change new UI. all apps in here. It's built in Play Store, Google Play Store. You can download the application from Google Play Store, TPMS. And it's built in Google Maps. It's mirror link. Okay, let me check settings. System info 1314. Click OK. Okay, this UI you can change. Also can change BMW NBT. Okay, boot logo you can choose this BMW. Also can choose other. Car type, this information you can change original car information. Please choose the select car type. Correct car type. This is change vehicle information settings. Okay, this is touch screen button learning. Okay, this is settings. Okay. It also can support CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us.